Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a hand embroidery hoop stand. First, I will show you how to get a basic about the stand hoop. After that, I'll show you how I made my stand hoop. Now, look at this demo. Cut a 13 inches square using a hand saw. 6 inches height, 3/4 inches width, 1 inch length. Make 4 strips. Cut out a 1/2 inch by 10 mm or 1 cm strip from each piece. Now let me show you how I made my stand hoop. Cut a circle using jigsaw machine. Select 12 inches wooden embroidery hoop. Cut 4 strips according to the previous measurement. Recheck the measurement. Now we'll prepare the glue. Mix resin and hardener well. Take 1:1 ratio. Mix them well. Apply the prepared glue on the bottom of strips and paste it as I do now. It's important to measure and mark the circle into 4 equal parts. Keep in mind the sides that should be glued. It will look like this. Now glue the strips to the hoop. Let it dry. Drill the bottom and screw it so that it stays firmly. You can use a rubber sheet to the bottom surface. Now can apply wood paint. Now we can use it for our work. You can use this for hand embroidery, Aari work and neck designs. In our next embroidery hoop video, I'll show you how to make an adjustable hand embroidery hoop. So remember to subscribe.